What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you how I make $1,500 a day from Amazon, all while sitting in the comfort of my own home. So as you can see, I do about $1,500 a day in sales on Amazon, and I'm gonna teach you how you can do the same in 2021. Let's get into it. So if you've seen my content before, you already know the drill. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure that you are subscribed and you're hitting that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I put out awesome content just like this video for you guys. First, let's address the elephant in the room. I'm sure every fifth video you see, and you see ads online all the time of people who can show you how to start on Amazon, how to sell on Amazon, or you see videos that Amazon is dead or it's too late to start. And through all the frustration and the confusion, how do you know if you can start in 2021, and what does it take, and what should you be thinking about in order to be successful when you're selling in 2021 on the Amazon platform? So first off, is it too late? Has it gone too far? If you've watched one of my recent videos, I did a deep dive, and I will link you right here on exactly what Amazon is been doing over 2020 and why I believe that is absolutely not too late to be starting in 2021. But just a quick fact, if you look at just the stock price of Amazon from the beginning of 2020 to where they were at the end of 2020, the stock price almost doubled over the course of 1 year, all while a pandemic was going on. And it just shows the solid standing of Amazon as a company, and they are only growing as time goes on. So what's the first thing that you need to do in order to start selling this year? First thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna learn the business. Whether you are watching YouTube videos like this and finding free content, putting it together for yourself, or you want to purchase a course, have a community, be surrounded by mentors and other sellers that can help you up and level you up, and pay a fee to get started and kind of kickstart your results. Whichever way you choose, you need some base knowledge and you need some understanding of not only which model you're going to choose for selling, but also how you set yourself up and how you conduct business on the Amazon platform. If you guys are looking for something that has a more structured group, a bunch of videos, as well as 6 and 7 figure Amazon sellers, you can hit the link down below. Go check out what I have available for you guys through Elite Wholesale. We are gaining students every single day, and they are leveling up and growing their businesses. So just as a shameless little plug, go hit that link in the description and at least check it out to see if it is for you. The second thing that you need to be doing and thinking about in the Amazon business is make the commitment. I hear it every single day in my DMs. I message with people all the time, and they ask me questions about analyzing charts. How do I know this product is right? How do I know this? And I ask them the question, have you created an account? Have you set up your business? Have you started? And more often than not, the answer is no. People are getting ahead of themselves, and there's one thing to understand, and there's a difference between knowing the business, understanding what you're getting yourself into, and analysis paralysis, looking at products before you've even made the commitment in your mind to get started. So making that first commitment, set up an account, get yourself started, pull together the information that you have learned on awesome platforms like YouTube, and just make that commitment for yourself to get started now. One thing to remember is you are always going to fail, no matter how much knowledge you have, how much knowledge you have gained, how many videos you watch. You are always going to make small failures and mistakes. We still do in our business. I know 8 and 9 figure sellers that make mistakes and they fail every single day. But the key is to just keep getting back up, keep learning, keep growing, and learn from those mistakes. And that's what makes you the most resilient business owner in Amazon Amazon seller possible. The third thing that you should be thinking about is how you're going to differentiate yourself on the market. There's many ways to do this, and I do have other videos explaining in depth what some of the different strategies that we're doing in 2021 are, and as well I'm going to be doing future videos on what we're doing in our business that really makes us stand out from the crowd and what is going to ensure our success this year in accomplishing our goals, achieving what we want to do, and making sure that we are as successful as possible. So one thing you can do is go really deep into one category. So if you're selling retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale, whatever it is, choose a category. Maybe it's something that you're really interested in, that it lends itself well for you to be wanting to spend lots of time and doing research on, but really just dive deep, whether that's toys or beauty or electronics, whatever it is. Take a deep dive and really get to know the players in the market, the different brands, the different suppliers, and really spend your time, because whichever category you choose on Amazon, if you're getting the cream of the crop products at good prices, there's a ton of money to be made. Another thing that you should be doing is go deep with one type of supplier. So whether you're using wholesalers, distributors, brands, whatever it is, just make that commitment in your mind to stick with one type, at least for the duration of 2020, and go deep. Find yourself lots of distributors, lots of brands, lots of wholesalers in a specific category. Really just build some good relationships with those people, and you will start to see the better products presenting themselves and the better opportunities come your way. The next thing you can do is offer value. So if you're offering value to your suppliers, you're gonna be preferred over the next reseller or the next customer that they have, because you've provided them with something in return above and beyond just writing a purchase order. So think outside of the box when you're thinking about offering value. If it's a brand, for example, you can offer to do advertising or PPC. So if they're able to give you a good enough of a margin, you can actually run Amazon ads for them. So not only will that directly benefit you by bringing more customers to your listing, helping your conversions, but now you're ordering more from the brand and helping boost their brand awareness to all the other people that may have not been aware of the brand on Amazon already. You can also drive external traffic. If you have a large following on social media, a blog, something like that, you can drive external traffic to your listing, as well as you can go out and do paid ads through Facebook, Instagram. You can do celebrity influencers or influencers that are just in that specific category. This will all drive external traffic to your listing and will offer value to the distributor, the brand, whatever that might be. Launching in a new market is also another great way. For example, if you are located in Germany or the UK, you can be looking for brands in the US, and you can offer to launch them in a brand new market, meaning bringing the products overseas to your market, getting the product shipped to yourself, and launching them on a brand new platform that they otherwise would not have brand awareness on. So that can be a huge value add to a brand or a distributor moving items for a brand that can help differentiate you from all of the other sellers out there. And the last but not least, the most important thing is build strong relationships. I can't tell you how many times it's panned out for us to build a strong relationship with one supplier, no matter who they are, no matter how many products you're able to buy. Make sure that you are taking a genuine interest in them and their business, as well as paying attention to the little things. If they mention they have a girlfriend, a wife, whatever that might be, you know, just asking about some of their hobbies, their family and their relationships can help garner and build a relationship, which can ultimately keep you at the front of their minds when they have new opportunities that come their way, or new product offerings, or whatever that might be that can help to expand your business. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. That has been how to start a business in 2021 selling on Amazon, and how you will be successful in doing so. If you guys like my content, do not forget to smash that like button. As well, make sure you are subscribed and hitting that notification bell, so you can be notified every single time I drop absolute bomb of videos just like this one. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Take care and peace.